Ladies and gentlemen, we're live. Premier Recreation and Esports at your service. One more again for the win. Right now, we're technically on a black bear grind, but man, I just smoked 2 level 4 elk off the same lake. This one happened to run past me after I shot the first one. See the, ooh, not getting any points on that one, but I did kill it. Yeah, costs more to taxi demise the animals once you damage the trophy organ. Yeah, but that's all right, man. I don't really care. Yeah, it's money spent too. Oh, level 3. There was a ton of elk on this lake. This is a lake I really don't even come to anymore. Yeah, mm, I'm not. Wasn't that big of a fan of these style lakes. Got a gold on him. 410. That's pretty good. Elk don't really excite me, to be honest. A level 5 would, but even then, red deer compared to level 5, like, come on, man. Let's go right here. This lake usually is gonna have 1 or 2 bear. I don't know what's going on lately, man. The game has been acting a little weird, almost. The game itself has been acting kind of weird. I'm not really seeing any bears anymore on the lakes or whatnot, which is no fun. You know? Yeah. Bottom all the way to the top. What's going on, man? Okay. Usually it's gonna be one. Oh, okay, we got 2 bears. Level 2 and a level 3. These bears are tricky. I need to get down because they can see and smell the best of them. I probably don't have to get all the way down from up here, but level 2, no, level 3. Saying, it's something. Something better than nothing. Man. And who knows, level 5 could have spawned by now, man. I've been seeing a lot of level 4s lately. What's that other one? I want to see who that other bear was. Bah, got him. I don't know how good a shot I got on. Might not have been the best shot. I did pain. Yup. Is that him coming again? I thought he was coming through these bushes. Man, I only had one in the crib. Another elk. Ooh, that's a nice looking level 3. Oh man. Well, at least I got that one laid out. At least I got that one laid out, man. That's a level 1. Yep. That's crazy. I'm killing level 8s and 7s and 6s. I know where I'm about to go to next too. But killing level 8s and stuff lately. You got a flunky level 1. Who want to see a level 1? I know I don't. A level 1 bearer? Who does that? Who does that? Sit down. Just lay down. Lay down. You don't do nothing but make me sick, dog. I got a dang on elk shoot. You gonna shoot him? Try to shoot him. Ah, caught him in the leg. Hit him in the leg. I hit him though. Oh, you lucky. You lucky I ain't see you. I sure would have reloaded and popped you. I ain't really tripping. Now that one over there, he trying me. I'm just gonna shoot him. But you not just. What about this one right here? He's alarmed. Okay, fleeing now. You better flee. What about him? I believe my dog. Well, they lying down. Ah, my zero on was at 328. Crap. I probably grazed his spine. Got my zero on was off, y'all. Telling you, man, that's one person you never have to worry about me getting again. I've lost way more animals due to that because I really like just being able to uh just lob the bullet a little bit. I aim above them. A lot of bears on this lake, however, I just don't like walking down this hill because the bears are under that hill. So you really are on top of them before you can really ever get a shot, which technically could crawl and all that. But man, I'm on my grind. I ain't got time for all that. Who got the time for that, buddy? You know what? I know where another black bear. There's a black bear spot. I need. Those black bears still 20. Okay, okay, I didn't know that. Okay, I thought all of them had changed over. I need to go over there and light them up one day. That's probably where dang on level 9 is on that lake. Probably what I need to do. Oh, I hate having to fight through all these woods and stuff. Oh, nay, nay. Yeah, man. Kind of forgot y'all were here for a second. I'm sorry. But hey, man, got a few more hours left for, well, not even an hour, a few more minutes left before we have to change the time. I have been lighting these bears up. So I don't see a single bear here. I want to go here. I really want to get here. You know what we're gonna have to do? We're gonna have to get that four wheel out. I really need to pick up a tent. I need to pick up a tent real bad and move it. I'm not buying no tent, I don't think. That's a tent I should pick up right there because I don't really see anything on here. Let's go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and grab this, man. I'm gonna grab this one. Change the load out. This was one of my favorite tents at one point in time for elk, but this spot is dead. Oh, that's what it is. Hey man, say man, we out here. Mm-hmm. Looking for the bird that's looking for us. About to have an old standoff. My name ain't Randolph, but we finna have a standoff. My name is Bennett and I ain't in it. Yeah. Oh man, I'm finna do it. Get my storage together. Please don't tell my made a mistake and bought that thing. Crap, I hope I ain't buy that thing. Okay, guys, let's ride. We gonna, you know what? Not only do I need to ride, I gotta change the time. So what we gonna do? What we gonna do, Buckaroo? We gonna change the time right quick. Y'all boys ever change the time? Yeah. Time after time. Shoo-ba-doo, shoo-ba-doo, ba-doo, wop, wop, wop. Time after time. Bing, 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 bing. I don't know what I'm talking about, man. I'm just going loony right now. But we talking about YouTube. 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 All right. So let's here. Let me pull out my four-wheeler. I ain't gotta be picky. We're gonna dismantle this thing. Oh, not. Should we dismantle? No, I don't have to dismantle this. I'm tripping. Still got my other one though. Where my four-wheeler? You know what? I said I was gonna dismantle, but I gotta change the time. I gotta change the time on this drink zone. Make that roll like a 24. Yeah. Done trees. My boy done trees. Hey, how many yards away are we? Let me see. 700 yards away. Yep. This tent in general. I mean, this lake is a hard lake to get to, but it's a rewarding lake to get to because you can hunt bison as well as black bears on this lake. You know, that's a plus. Let me turn the volume down a little bit. Turn the volume down just a smidgen. Oh, goodness gracious alive. I'm a professor of love. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. In the, what in the world? Esport dot recreation 450 yards. So I'm about to be hopping off this bad boy right here in a minute and trying my best to find some flat land within 300 yards that I can float this through steep. Here we go with this crap again. You know what? I'm almost ready to say forget the 300 yards because, okay. So we're going to go to where garage? No, not garage. I hope I did not buy that dang on load out, load. Anyway, please be already ready to go. We ready to roll, y'all. Just that fast. We ready to go, baby. Yeah. Cause I know the drink zone is a little bit. Uh-huh. Now this is a lake. You know, it's a huge lake, man. Should be able to see something eventually. Now, that's 600 yards away. That's kind of far to get an actual for the animals to appear on the screen at all. Like they might be there, but we're just not close enough for the game to show them yet. I guess probably need to be within like 400, 450 yards, something like that, before they show up. I got a heck of a vantage point. Yeah, man. Party people. Yeah. Well, help. Y'all mean to tell me I just spooked the bear already? That's no good. I don't like this idea of coming all the way over here now and spooking the dang on bear. That's a level 2 flunky. It's another level 2. Hey, now I ain't come all this way for no level 2. What's going on here? Oh, they smell me, y'all. I guarantee they. Oh, it's a male. Let me hit that spray. Let me hit that spray. I'm talking like y'all like the bear. Ooh, crap. I want to get down so you don't see me. That's probably a big one too. Level 6 hard alarm. See, I gotta get out of this water and get down. Oh, he can't see me now. Okay, can't see me now. A level 6. I mean, I'll take it. Mm-mm. Sorry, I forgot my face was leaning on this thing. Video 327. Level 6. He's alert. I'm gonna shoot you even though you're alert. Just because you're alert don't mean you ain't getting shot. Let me show you something right quick, man. Yay, do I walk? I can't see anything. Now, for you to be a level 6 bear, you kind of. I'm gonna go ahead and pop him because I don't think I got the best shot on him. Crap, I didn't. I should have been more patient. I didn't want him to get in those bushes. I should have been more patient. I was like, don't get in them bushes. Whatever you do, don't get in them bushes. I just flunky level 2. No, you a flunky. You just sitting over there and let off a shot and everything. He's still sitting there. He ain't hitting on nothing. He ain't hitting on squat. Black bear, black bear. I'm gonna just pop him, man. I gotta let these things feel my presence. The bear just tried to kill me. I don't see it. I sure heard him. The bear just tried to take me out. It's a ball game. Mm-hmm. He is expecting some treatment from Mickey D's. ladies and gentlemen. You know my work, baby girl. You know my work. Hey, let me see what other if I got any more black bears that are drinking at 20 and 2000 hours, because that is 8, 12, or the 8. We just gotta check it out. Elk or the 8, 20. Okay, we're going right here then. We got them at different drink times on the same lake. That's all right. That's all right. She's all right. She's out of sight. Who's that lady? Who's that lady? Lovely lady. Mhm. Yeah, man. I don't know why I almost shot my dog. Can't be doing that. Gotta turn around and go this direction, huh? With the wind. I don't like going with the wind. Please. Oh, no, I never want to deal with nothing like that again. Ever. God, I don't never want to deal with nothing like that again. Yep. Y'all forgive me, just had me a little moment, a little flashback. A little flashback, but we're gonna keep it going. Look at I don't wanna hear it. I don't wanna hear it. I don't wanna hear it. I just wanna shoot it. Luckily we know that the black bear drink zone is on the other side of the lake, at least the one that's for this time frame. So yeah. Guys, I'm looking for a big old bear. A beautiful black bear. A goatee. What's that bear yet now? Actually, I say I'm looking for a bear, but honestly, I don't think a bear would. How close to that black bear drink zone? Is this it? Or is it that one? Oh, crazy. It's crazy. They on both of them. They on both of them. That's crazy. Nah, that's bonkers. That's absolutely bonkers that there's no bear over here. Where the bear, y'all? I am a little bit upset. Let me go back over here and see if the bears are still. You know what? I've been going here for a while. I've been going here for a while and I haven't been having much luck at 4 o'clock. So I guess I had a couple bears left over. I'm gonna be honest. I don't think that that's 100% precise. That the bears are that you gotta kill every single one of them before they repopulate to the 4 to 8 drink time. So it's a truth to that. However, I've had them all of a sudden, like almost every lake had bears on it from 4 to 8, and I wasn't putting in that type of work. So, I think the game is working some kinks out, to be honest. donut shop. Level, I just knew. I don't know why, man. I felt like that was. I'm tired of you flunking level twos, man. Let me get down. Let me get down. I really don't even need to be in this tree stand. I'm gonna get in it though. And I want to get in it. Yeah, man. Let me just get in my tree stand. 264. I guess there's only two left. It's gonna be kind of hard to spot both of them and shoot both of them. We ain't making no excuses. Where the other one at? Where the other one? Alert. Get to the 75. He out of there. And even if I don't go over there and get him, at least I killed him. You know? You got shot and killed that old sap sucker. What the, I don't see that other one though. Well, I got a better shot on him, I would think. What's going on? Ain't nothing going on but the ball rap song. Bumping all night long. Oh, there he is. There he is. We ain't crying over spilled milk this evening, baby. We ain't crying over spilled milk. I don't know about you, but I know about me. You smell me. I never really killed a black bear on that lake, I don't think. Black bear. We're gonna go ahead and head over here. I think we're gonna wrap this one up. I think we're gonna wrap it up. Wrap, wrap it up. Wrap, wrap it up. Yeah, man. You lick up a yick. Mm-hmm. My company has been awarded. Bro, this is it, man. This is it. Pest control. Pest control. Level 7 mountain lion. I don't care about no stinking mountain lion. You can. I know he could see me. I'm trying my best, y'all. I'm trying my best. dear. Get tired of these mountain lions, bro. I was excited when they first came. Hate to be doing all this creeping, crawling, bro. And you never know. I mean, a level 5 already is a good sign. You ain't no level 8 or 9. I even a 7. They better than a 2. Better than 2. Man, I'm sick of this, bro. I don't know if this is worth it, man. I ain't gonna be able to do all this walking. Level 5. I ain't worried about him seeing me. My thing is, usually it's gonna be a couple of bears in this area as well. How do you think mountain lion, dog? Like, they need to do something about that. It's just too much. They're growling way too much. It wasn't like this at one point in time. I understand them. Is that a bear standing up over there? Oh, no. I thought that was a bear standing there. What's that? Rocky Mountain elk level 3. Where is the dysfunction? I don't care about dysfunction at all. I don't care about dysfunction at all. I need a function at your junction. Mm-hmm. What? You mean to tell me that bear saw me and is running away from me at that distance? That's crazy. That's crazy, bro. That bear saw me? I mean, that's just unbelievable, dog. I'm about to still shoot him, I think, unless there's something over here. That's crazy, man. That's unbelievable, dog. Something else going on, bro. Uh-uh. I don't care, but I'm about to go ahead and pop him. I should wait and reload and all that. Where you go, y'all? Y'all see him? Ain't be too far away from that elk. I did not hit him. Crap, I missed him. I did all that to miss. Crap, man. Uh-oh. This game. Ah, you stopped. Keep stopping like you doing, bud. A little stop they do be. I hit him. He walked into it. How good of a shot I got, I couldn't tell you, but I got him. Oh, I hit him good then. 50, 75 already. He ain't gonna make it far. You ain't gonna live to see the sun come up, but there probably ain't nothing else left over here. All that shooting I just did. But man, we're gonna wrap this video up, man. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. Peace.